dear. I wasn't wearing it yesterday because it was sunny, but my host pointed out that my hand-me-down jacket is from Viana do Castelo, which is where I am right now. So for this very short period, I'm going to look like a local with all of my bags. So a lovely stay back there with Jose and Maria Jose. I got lots of recommendations about directions to take through Portugal, things to eat in Portugal, and also I got my laundry done and I got everything charged. So it feels a bit extravagant to be considering staying in an albergue tonight, but I think there's one in Ponte de Lima for €5. So if that is right, then, and if they let me stay, even though I'm doing the Camino backwards, I might have an albergue stay tonight. If it's €10, I'll skip it and camp. If it's €5, that's an opportunity too good to miss. I've got 9 of my 13 Schengen weeks remaining, and I was planning on spending the last few in the south of Spain, heading over to Granada, Cordoba, Sevilla. But now I'm enjoying Portugal so much, I'm already thinking about maybe trading some of those Spain weeks for more Portugal time, despite these cobbles. One way or another, I just need to be on the boat to Morocco in 9 weeks from now. Those bags look promising for it. Oh yeah, Albergue. Okay, so I'll come back in a couple of hours, check the price, check if they'll let me stay. Meanwhile, have a look at Ponte de Lima. Okay, I'm more hopeful about this one. It's in the shape of a croissant, but really it's a cake, I think. Similar kind of custard. Better. time to test out then if you're allowed to stay in the Albergue when you're doing a reverse Camino. Here's hoping. Queue is growing. I suppose I better join the queue. It's like the Pacific Islander way of queuing, putting the flip-flops out. Hola, ¿cuánto costa, por favor?
5 euros.
5 euros. Yo tengo bicicleta. ¿También?
Sí,
¿También?
podemos jardim.
Ok, obrigada.
Estamos con un problema. Hoy no hay agua caliente.
Ok, ningún problema para mí.
¿Y dónde has partido? ¿Dónde?
De Bilbao.
Bilbao.
What a result. €5 for a bed for the night. There's a lot of very tired people crashed out on dormitory beds. They probably hiked further today than I've cycled. Right down there, Gibbo. Cheers to taking it easy on the Camino. This wine is really nice and it wasn't even expensive. Cheers, Portugal. That's a great result. It's a 60-person albergue, and even though it seemed pretty busy, I was checked straight in even with the bicycle, no waiting list. So I'm stoked with that. Finally, in my quest for 10,000 subscribers, I'm just 200 and a bit short. Now, I know about 50% of you watching right now are not subscribed, and of course there is a bit of a drop off in the first minute, but not you. You're still here right at the end, so you should probably subscribe. Thanks.